How to order on Gopuff. Let's jump right into this video. So you can go ahead and open your Gopuff application if you already have installed from your App Store or Play Store. If you don't have it, don't worry, open a browser and search for www.gopuff.com. Now right here in this interface or the home page, you will find all of the options that you can choose from groceries, beverages, snacks, and more. Even if you are a health freak, don't worry, it got you covered. Now, once you have selected all of the items from here displayed in the home page, or by tapping on the search bar and searching for your particular preference, you will find the option of My Bag displayed at the bottom. So all you have to do is simply tap on the option of My Bag to check out all of the orders that you have done. You can remove the item or you can even add more orders to it in your My Bag option. Now, if you are happy with it and want to check out, just tap on the checkout option at the bottom of the page. If you have a promo code, simply tap on add promo code and get some discount or even some treats that is included in the promo code. Now, why is Gopuff so immensely popular nowadays? Because of its quick delivery and less fee charge, and also it gets delivered to you within 30 minutes. Isn't it awesome? So now once you have checked out in the payment section, you can go ahead and pay according to your preference using any payment method that you prefer and is available in your region. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.